Site measurement in the premise of safe electricity. Install construction lighting. Build scaffoldings. After the implementation of the construction conditions, set up scaffolding. Install the shelf. Shelf is tough and not easy to deform. Surrounded by flat, at right angles. Laser measurement. Install guide rail and bracket. Install the rail bracket in the hoistway and fix the rails. Install bearing beam and motor. After determining the installation position of the machine, place the traction motor on the load-bearing beam, and the guide wheel is mounted on the frame. Install car. Install the platform for installation of car, and then install the car system in the order of the car components. Remove scaffolding. Remove scaffolding from top to bottom, one by one. The installation of the counterweight system can be carried out in accordance with the installation of the counterweight device. The counterweight pit. Install electrical equipment. The control cabinet is installed in a reasonable position in machine room. Trunking in and out of the control cabinet need to be straight, tidy, solid. Install the accompanying cable. Install the limit device. Install the landing door. Install LOP and COP. Install car door and door operator.